You have anything to tell her?
No.
No? You were talking so nice before. Say hi to your sister. Can you get her to smile? Oh, is she drooling a little bit? Is that ugh? Can you tell her how to make sure she doesn't drool anymore? Hi, Mackenzie. Hi. Can you smile? Hmm? Maddie's watching Elmo. Who's that, Maddie? Who? Melmo? Awesome. Do you have a smile? Hi. Are you working on a dirty diaper? Say hi, Maddie. Okay, Elmo's a little annoying sounding in the background, sorry.